Hey guys, I was basically showing an example of intervals in motion from one point to the other. Basically an interval is the distance between two notes. So for example, let's start in C major. This is middle C. The distance between C and D is a whole step. So because from here to here is a half step up, and then another half step would make it a whole step. You can play them melodically, which means separate, or you can play them together, which is harmonic. That doesn't really sound too nice, but it's basically a melodic or harmonic interval. You can do that with all of them. Basically, the names of these intervals from C to C in one register would be, well, this by itself is unison. From C to C sharp is a minor second, and then C to D is a major second, minor third, major third, perfect fourth, augmented fourth. And when you raise the perfect fourth, any perfect interval, a half step, well, not just perfect, but major intervals as well, they can be considered augmented. So let's just say for the perfect interval, when you raise it a half step, it becomes an augmented interval, an augmented fourth, and then you have perfect fifth. When you raise that a half step, you have an augmented fifth. And this is also called a minor sixth because, well, I'll explain. The next key, C to A, is a major sixth. So lowering a major interval down a half step makes it minor. So that's a minor sixth if you're going from the sixth down a half step. If you're going from a perfect fifth up a half step, it's augmented. Like for example, when I said minor third, I had major third, and then I lower that a half step, and it becomes the major sixth, minor seventh, and then major seventh, and then from C to C is an octave. It's also called the perfect eighth because it's half of a perfect fourth. You can play the intervals however you like. Like I showed you earlier, I was playing all melodic intervals, so, or you can play them harmonically. Famous songs like Louie Louie use only perfect intervals. Well, the perfect fourth, and the root positions are the perfect fourth, and the perfect fifth, if you know the song. Basically, yeah. Other songs like, let's see, the theme from Star Wars has a perfect fifth in it. It's, and then, basically, but let's see, that is all that I guess I can really teach you on intervals on the piano. I hope that helps, and yeah, see ya.